Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. This channel is to go to the destination for latest hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're just coming across any of my videos for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, why not do subscribe, okay? Do join us today. And trust me, you will definitely love what we bring to the channel. So as you subscribe, do turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you as you join us. Guys, trust when I say we really took out our time to select these beautiful nails idea. These are very unique and simple nail art designs for my ladies. So just watch it from beginning to the end and you will definitely love the nails that I bring to the channel. Okay, so these are very beautiful nails ideas. If you are searching for a very unique and simple nail to make, then this is highly recommended for you. So as you watch, kindly pick your favorite. Remember, you can pick up to 2 to 3 designs or even more than, then combine it on your nails to give you a very unique look. Guys, as you watch, kindly do support us by hitting the like button, subscribe and share. Okay, also remember to drop your lovely comment in the comment section. Tell us where you trying any of these nails. Let us know in the comment section. And if this doesn't fit your needs, feel free to go to our channel. We have other nails ideas that you definitely love, so go check them out. Just go into our channel and explore more beautiful designs. And as you watch, like, comment and share. As we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye. Stay watching.